Here I have REALME C1, and let me show you how to speed up the device, how to boost your system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select here the phone manager right here. And now you can simply boost system by using optimization. So let's wait a few seconds until the scanning will be completed right here. And all you need to do is just use this optimize button. Now you can enable one-touch optimization, and as you can see, it will clean up memory, delete the junk files, uninstall the residuals, and use the security protection. So let me use one-touch optimization, and it should boost your speed. So let's wait. The optimization is done. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.